How to remove blackheads on your nose. Blackheads are small, black bumps inside the pores of your skin that occur when your hair follicles get clogged. They appear black due to oxidation, which happens when your pores become clogged with dirt and sebum and then are exposed to air. Method 1 of 3, using home remedies. Wash and steam your face before you use a home remedy. Facial steam will help open your pores, so it's easier to remove your blackheads with a home remedy. To steam your face, you should gather together a large bowl, water, and a clean towel. Boil the water. Let it cool and then pour it into the bowl. Lean over the bowl and cover your head with the towel to trap the steam over your face. Steam your face for 5 to 10 minutes. Be careful not to get too close to the steam to prevent burning your skin. Rinse your face with warm water and pat it dry. Repeat the facial steam several times a week, before you apply a facial scrub. Exfoliate your nose with baking soda. Exfoliation is important because it removes dead skin cells, which prevents these cells from clogging up your pores and creating blackheads. It also revives circulation on your skin and gives you a healthy glow. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda in a bowl with mineral water to make a paste. Apply the paste on your nose, and massage it gently so you don't harm the skin. Allow the paste to dry for a few minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Repeat this remedy once or twice a week. Baking soda will help to dry up the blackheads and make your skin appear brighter and cleaner. You can also add apple cider vinegar to the baking soda paste. Apple cider vinegar is a nature astringent and antibacterial. Make an oatmeal scrub. The combination of oatmeal, lemon juice, and yogurt works well to keep your skin free of blackheads. Mix together 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, and the juice of half a lemon. Apply the paste to your nose, leave it on for a few minutes, and rinse it off with warm water. You can also make an oatmeal scrub with honey and tomatoes. Mix 1 teaspoon honey with the juice of 4 tomatoes and several tablespoons of oatmeal. Apply the paste to your nose and leave it on for 10 minutes. Wash it off with warm water. Repeat this scrub regularly, at least once a week. Apply a sugar scrub. If possible, use jojoba oil for this sugar scrub, as it is the oil that most closely mimics your skin sebum. The sebum is an oily substance produced by your body to prevent your skin from drying out. If you don't have access to jojoba oil, use other oils like grapeseed, olive, and sweet almond as substitutes. Mix 4 tablespoons of oil into 1 Cuban peso of brown or white sugar in an airtight glass jar. Stir until it is mixed well. Wet your face and then scoop some of the scrub onto your fingertips. Massage it over your nose and face in a circular motion. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse your face with warm water. Apply this scrub no more than 2 to 3 times a week, to avoid drying out or irritating your skin. Store this scrub in an airtight jar in a cool, dark place for up to 2 months. Use a clay mask. For a good clay mask, use bentonite clay, which can be purchased online and at many health food stores. Bentonite clay is rich in minerals and has been used for centuries to treat a number of ailments, mainly skin-related issues. When you apply a clay mask, your skin gets to drink in these minerals while the clay draws out the blackheads. Mix 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay with water or apple cider vinegar. It should form a paste that is thick but still easy to apply. Use your fingertips to cover your nose in a thin layer of paste. Let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how long you are letting it dry. The mask will make it feel like your face is tightening as it dries. Some people find clay masks dry or irritate their skin if left on for too long, especially if they already have dry skin. Adjust the drying time of the mask based on your skin type. Rinse the mask off with warm water and apply moisturizer to your nose. Apply the clay mask on a regular basis to your nose, at least once a week, to see results. Apply egg whites to your nose. While the smell of raw egg on your face or nose can be unpleasant, egg whites are rich in nutrients and are less drying than other home remedies for blackheads. Gather together 1 egg, a facial tissue or toilet paper, a small bowl, and a clean towel. Separate the yolk from the white in a bowl. Clean your face using your preferred cleanser. Pat your face dry and use your fingers to apply a thin layer of egg white on your nose. Let the first layer dry. Then, spread a second layer of egg white on your nose. Let it dry. Apply a third layer, but be sure to let each layer dry before applying another layer. Allow the final layer to dry for 15 minutes. Your face will feel tight and pull a bit. This is a good sign as it means the egg whites are sticking to your nose, and to your blackheads. Dip the washcloth in warm water and gently scrub the egg whites off your nose. Pat your nose dry. Make your own pore strips. Pore strips are made of some sort of adhesive and something to attach the adhesive to your nose or face. When you pull the strip off, you pull the plug of the sebum and dead cells out of the pore, thereby removing the blackhead. Keep in mind, pore strips do not prevent blackheads, they only remove them once they have popped up. Use milk and honey to make your own pore strips that are free of the harmful chemical or fragrances found in store-bought pore strips. Gather together 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of milk, and a clean strip of cotton, from a shirt or washcloth. Mix the raw honey with the milk in a microwave-safe bowl. Warm the mixture for 5 to 10 seconds in the microwave. Stir the mixture to make sure it is well blended. Test the temperature of the mixture to make sure it is not too hot and then apply a thin layer over your nose. Pat a cotton strip on your nose gently, pressing down on the strip. Let it dry for at least 20 minutes, and then carefully peel the strip away. Rinse your nose with cold water and pat it dry. Use the pore strips on a regular basis to remove blackheads. Make a natural toner for your face. Toner is great for removing any dead skin cells on your face and reducing any redness or inflammation, especially around your nose. Use a cooling herb like mint to soothe any irritated skin. Mix together 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 3 tablespoons of crushed fresh mint leaves in a small bottle. Let it sit for 1 week in a cool, dark place. Strain the mixture and add a cup of water. Store the toner in the refrigerator for up to 6 days. Apply the toner nightly by rinsing your face first with water and then using a clean cotton ball to apply the toner to your nose. Leave the toner on overnight or for several hours if you have sensitive skin. Be sure to moisturize your nose after applying the toner. Method 2 of 3, Preventing Blackheads. Be aware of the false myths around blackheads. Part of why it is simply not possible to wipe away your blackheads is because they are not caused by a buildup of dirt. Instead, they are created by a buildup of dead skin/sebum, which then reacts with oxygen and turns the substance in your pores black. As well, it is impossible to shrink, close, or open your pores, as your pores are not muscles. They are simply holes that house the hair follicles and sebaceous glands on your body. While some substances, like lemon or mint, can make your pores appear smaller, in reality your pores are not shrinking. Other factors like genetics, age, and sun exposure all play a role in how large your pores appear, but there is no magic cure to making them shrink. Keep excess oil off your face. Do this by washing your face no more than twice a day with a gentle facial cleanser that is oil-free. Make sure you wash your face if you use makeup on a daily basis, as makeup residue can cause oil buildup on your face. Be sure to exfoliate your face with a natural or professional method and use a natural or commercial toner on a daily basis. Clean your pillowcases at least once a week. Washing your pillowcases will remove any dead skin cells and oils your face leaves behind on the fabric every night. Keep your hair away from your face and try not to touch your face with your hands. Hair can carry germs and bacteria that could end up on your face and/or nose. Avoid touching your face or nose with your hands. Your hands can carry dirt, germs, and bacteria that can then end up on your face and cause a buildup of oil that can lead to blackheads. Never pick or squeeze your blackheads. This can cause the skin on your nose to become inflamed, infected, and even cause scarring. As well, when using scrubs, avoid scrubbing your blackheads too hard, as this can lead to irritation and inflammation. Method 3 of 3, using professional products. Use a cleanser with salicylic acid and glycolic acid. The best way to break down any oil and clogged pores is to use products that contain beta-hydroxyl acid, or salicylic acid. Consistent use of a cleanser with salicylic acid will help to prevent blackheads before they form and clear your pores of oil. Salicylic acid works with glycolic acid to help clear dead skin and debris on the surface of your skin. Acne products like Proactive, Benzac, and Panoxyl all contain these ingredients. Buy pore strips. Over-the-counter, medicated pore strips can work to remove oil plugs in your nose and as a result, remove blackheads. Talk to a dermatologist about retinoid. Retinoid contain vitamin A and work to clear clogged pores and prevent blackheads from forming. Prescription strength retinoid are the most effective and come in pill form. Over-the-counter retinol formulas are also available at many drugstores. There may be some peeling of your skin when you first take retinoid. But after regular use 3 to 7 times weekly for 4 to 6 weeks, the side effects will lessen and your skin will appear more radiant and clear. Ask your dermatologist about microdermabrasion. This is a professional treatment that uses tiny crystals on your skin to gently remove the outer layer of skin, including blackheads. It will exfoliate and rejuvenate the skin on your nose to leave your skin looking softer and brighter. This technique is less aggressive than dermabrasion, but must be done by a trained skin professional. Please like, comment, share, subscribe our channel, and know details click our social media link.